Hey guys, Rock here in Island Pond, Vermont. The trail systems, they're still open here in Island Pond. It's March 12th, 2020. But we haven't got much snow lately. We've gotten some rain. So the trails are, rock hard, which is making this new 2020 Polaris Indy XC run a little warm. So I know I don't want to stop riding, that's for sure. So what do I got to do? We can fix it with some ice scratchers. So I'll show you what I got and we can install them. Alright guys, it's the Indy. These are the snow scratchers. These are they're ice scratchers. These are the Duraflex cable type, a very heavy duty cable with some Loctite to install. And they're carbide tips, so they should last a while. Unfortunately, on this 129 skid, there's not really a good spot to install them without drilling into the skid. So that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna check the fitment. There's not a lot of good locations on this skid, it seems like. I don't want to interfere with any of your moving suspension parts, so I'm gonna say probably right in this rail, unfortunately, but at least it's supported. Then we can run this hook right there. That's our best bet. Alright guys, March 12th, trying out the new Duraflex snow scratchers. So the trails are very hard right now. This is actually more loose snow than up on the main trail system. We're gonna get up there, try it out. I'm gonna leave the scratchers up so you guys can see that it'll probably heat up, and then we'll put them down and we'll try that out, see how good they work. All right, let's try this out. It's about 18 degrees today. Problem is we had some warm weather and we haven't had much snow lately, which sucks. This time of year in Island Pond, usually it's it's real good riding. So this thing usually, if there's good snow conditions, it usually stays around 124. That's what it's at right now. Well, 126. So we'll try her out. Like I said, this trail's a little bumpy. This is kind of my secondary trail, but once we get up on the main trail system, it gets icy. So this thing probably will heat up pretty quick, I'm guessing. Not really sure what overheating is technically on this, but I've seen it around 148, 150, and I'll dump it in the side of the bank to get a little snow going. But conditions like this today, I mean, you can just hear it. It's ice you're driving on. Look at that. It's already at 131. And, we've only been driving for, what, 2 minutes? So yeah, you can kind of see that there's, this is with the ice scratchers up, not being used. There's not a lot of snow or ice going on the track right now. So yeah, I'll show you a little clip of with them down, and you can see how they work. You can see the XC suspension works real good on this machine. I am glad. I mean, this is a pretty new, this is a brand new machine this year. I got Woody's carbide studs on it. Thankful for them right now, because I mean, the track would be all over the place if I didn't have them. Wouldn't get any traction. I mean, even with these, I got 96 or not 96, I think it was 90. I was able to get on this 129 track. I got yeah, 90 of them. They're 1.35 no, they might be 1.35 inch. I don't remember now. So as you can see, we're at 142, so she's heating up. Alright, so we're gonna stop here and drop the ice scratchers down. Just a matter of flicking them down, and we'll give them a whirl, make sure this thing cools down. So you can see right off the bat that that shaved ice and snow is going right on that back idle wheel, which is in turn going into the slides and the cooler. So it's going to keep everything cool, lubricated. So they definitely work. Actually, they're working quite well. Get a little snow on the camera here. But you get the idea. So I think they're well worth the 90 bucks they were. So yeah, now that I swapped them down, or flipped them down, we should see the temperature go down quite a bit. It's at 144 right now. Keep driving, see how things go. It handles the trails pretty well. You know, I really like how light it is, and you know, it's a little bit shorter. It's 129, and I mean, you just can maneuver it around real good. Now, before I studded the track, I mean, you could fly around corners, hit the brake, just tap it a little bit, swing it around. It was real fun. But I mean, that was early season when I got it. It was icy, kind of like this. I don't think it was even as bad as this, but still. And I was just getting, you know, the braking wasn't good at all because of the ice. So I threw those 90 studs in there. It made a big improvement on braking and acceleration, obviously. Trails are definitely in better shape up here. So you can see she's cooling down pretty good now. It's at about 130, 131. Actually, it just dropped down to 129, so they definitely work. I'll give you guys an update on how long they last, because obviously this year probably not going to get too many more miles on them. So machine's running nice and cool. You can see the trails glared right over from the rain we got. But alright guys, so yeah, that's about it. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll get some more videos up for you guys. Have a great day.